be like, travel and enjoy in private. Me, I have suffered in public. I will post in public, picture after picture.
Hello, my name is Fancy Patch. Welcome, and this is my mother Rapey. So today
we are doing a bottle flip.
The first Africans.
Okay, we're not sure about that, but we're doing a bottle flip, and whoever wins eats food. I've already
It's three. She won the last one, but now it's three.
So I have three.
Three.
Prince has one. We continue.
Okay. Mommy.
Okay, eat some food.
Oh yeah, give me food.
Okay. Ow.
Stop doing like this. Do it carefully. Say it, continue.
You're gonna joining mo bottle flip. Here we go. Prince. Oh my God.
This is impossible. I had a friend. She prayed. She prayed.
Yes, I did.
It's so prayed.
So you can you can keep playing as I eat some food.
No, it's your turn again. Can you stop and do your turn? Five. Allah! After.
Finishing the food.
Okay, you are five. Okay, so.
Oh no.
Okay, now I'm using my butt flip. Now just let's open my pictures.
Hold on. Eat some food.
Everyone use.
Okay. So since I'm still winning, I gotta be eating food, but I'm still winning.
That's the point. Take your food. You may take my food.
Ni koko yangeliwa.
4, 5, 5.
You knocked me.
Yes,
You knocked me.
yes, but it's my. That means
Okay.
I can do my
Okay.
penalty. But oh, it was so good. 6, 6.
Wait. Tell Auntie to give me my chicken.
Achian. Achian. 6. Sorry, 7. 7. Come back.